I chose where I want to live at after two viewings, and it's a really nice neighborhood. So this is basically an update from my hair get ready with me situation, where I was telling you guys how I got kicked out, and that was like 2 days ago. And then now today, which is 2 days after that, so I filmed that video and it's uploaded and to be posted on Friday. I filmed it on Wednesday, so today is Friday, and I'm about to move into my new place next Thursday, because like I would move in on the 14th, but the 15th is only better just because the 15th is only better just because why is the 15th better? Oh, I have an appointment on the 14th, so I can't like move her appointment around or anything. Like I already booked it, so you know it's only right to, you know, be thoughtful or, you know, be considerate of my client. I mean, she would definitely understand, like I'll tell her the situation, but I already made the thing for the 15th because I did sign up and everything. This is basically their like room, and then they have a whole MacBook, a Mac and a HP. I don't even like HPs. I don't know why I'm using them. I used to use them like years ago, but ever since I got my MacBook, like probably 3-4 years ago, I've never touched the HP computer really. So it was kind of hard for me to use it, but yeah, I'm very grateful. My space is gorgeous. You're about to see that now. And yeah, so I just paid my $100 admin fee or application fee. And now I'm going to... Give it up. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If I the best part. This is crazy. This is very cute.
Yeah, the parados are nice. You get a lot more space, a lot more living room space. You can do a washer and dryer in there. And then your bathroom, you're gonna love.
This is your lighting. So you can see lighting.
Cabinet on the other side of that as well.
On the like the bottom of the island. Okay.
USB ports in your living room, and then you got one in your bedroom as well.
Oh, yours is gray, mine is white.
I like this whole gray scheme because I like gray a lot.
My cabinets are white.
Oh, it's like a coat little closet.
You have a coat closet, right? With your
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
bigger bedroom.
So the bedroom is like, it's okay. Like I like it. It's a perfect size for, cause well, it fits like a queen.
Queen bed, yeah.
Okay. Cause I think I'm gonna upgrade to a queen bed.
Okay.
This is nice.
Here's your bathroom. With the closet. Your closet is in the
Oh, okay. This is crazy. I like this one.
Yeah, you can just leave the door open and steam your clothes.
I do that. I thought that was weird. Yes, there's a washer and dryer.
And those brown eyes, you're the one that I desire. When we wake up, and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice.